If your bone straight is looking like this, or your straight hair is looking so rough and swollen, the first thing you want to do is dip your wig in a warm water, then go in with some shampoo. Make sure you add enough shampoo and give it a thorough wash. Wash gently and wash the frontal or the closure. Then start brushing from the tip of the hair and work your way upward. Please note, start brushing from the tip of the hair and wash it upward. As you can see, the water is looking so dirty. If it's not as dirty as this, then you can just rinse it out. But it is very dirty, then you go in with the second wash. And when you want to go in with the second wash, make sure you brush the hair, go in with your shampoo the second time and give it a thorough wash until the water is all dead clear. Then you brush and brush until it's looking so soft. Then you rinse out the shampoo. Make sure it's totally shampoo free and you rinse it out. Then you go in with your conditioner. Add enough conditioner. Note, not leave-in conditioner, just normal conditioner. Tresemme is actually recommended, so you can use Tresemme. Then add a lot of conditioner, massage and make sure it's well saturated on the hair, and then you put the hair in a nylon bag or a steam bag. Then if you don't have a steam bag, you can just put it like this and leave it for 2 hours, and then you rinse it out. After rinsing, allow it to air dry. When it's totally dried, go in with your blow dryer and blow dry, guys. This is very important. Blow dry, then you'll see the difference. Blow drying is one step I don't miss during styling my straight hairs. Like, it just gives it that silky look. As you can see, it's already looking silky. It looks as if it is straightened. So after this, you go in with your heat protectant. Like, the major part of hairstyling is using your heat defense spray or your heat protectant. Like, there is no way you should straighten your hair or coil your hair with any hot coiling wand without using heat protectant. You spray a lot of the heat protectant on the wig, and then you brush and massage, make sure it's well saturated in the hair, and then you go in with your hot straightener. Like, I actually recommend using a very good straightener when you want to straighten your hair. It just gives it that, it just makes it so easy for you. Actually, it makes your work 10 times easier than when using a normal straightener. So what you want to do is to section your hair and go in with your straightener. I always advise, when straightening, it's best you section your hair row by row. Like, it makes the job 10 times easier compared to when you just go in with your straightener, just grab a big section and you straighten. No, when you do it row by row, it makes it so easy for you, and you'll be able to see what you're doing properly and be able to correct it if there is any mistake, guys. As you can see, it's looking so silky, like it's looking brand new. I will never stop advising my girlies about the importance of getting styling product. Like, I don't see why you will get hairs worth thousands without getting all the necessary styling products. See how new and how silky the hair is looking now, guys. So after straightening, add a little bit of serum and you're good to go. Would you be giving this step a try? Try it on your both straight or your virgin straight hairs. Thank me later. Bye.
I carry my hustle for my shoulder. I'm a one-man soldier. Cause if money not them, mama corrupt. So even if you don't do it for me, do it for my brothers.
When I was young, I heard people preach about Jesus. Word was give to Caesar what is